Hi students, again we are going to see the same lesson. What is the lesson name? Angles and shapes. In that lesson we are going to see shapes and towers. Look for triangles in the picture below. See, in the building also they made with triangles in bridge and tower. From the activity changing shapes, can you guess why triangles are used in this towers, bridge, etc.? See, if we kept any weight on the triangles, it won't change the shape. So that only the buildings, bridges are made in triangle shape. Look around and find out more places where triangles are used. Look around and find out more places where triangles are used. You write here. Next, angle and time. Zenat, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? I just see the angles. See, when the hands make a right angle means that is L shape. Right angle means L shape. Make a right angle. I know it is a 9 o'clock. See, now it is a 9 o'clock. There are many times in a day when the hands of the clock make a right angle. Now you draw some more. Now I am going to draw the right angle in clock. See. Uh, 3:30, otherwise 6:15. Both will make right angle. Here 1 and 4 in between. See, this is a right angle. Here 8:55, it will make right angle. See here 3:30 will make right angle. Here 4:5 will make right angle. At last 8:55 will make right angle. Write what kind of an angle is made by the hands at these times. Also write the time. See, this is a clock and the minutes is based on 5 tables. The minutes is based on 5 tables. See, 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50 and so on up to 5 12s are 60. Now, what is the time? 7. Here the long hand show 5. 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. So, the time is 7:25. What is the angle? It is more than right angle or less than right angle? It is less than right angle. Less than right angle means acute angle. Next, see here. What is the time? 8:03. 8:03 means 3 5s are 15. So 8:15. What is the angle? This is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree means obtuse angle. Next, look at here. What is the time? 9:02. 2 means 2 5s are 10. So time is 9:10. What is the angle? This is more than 90 degree. See, 90 degree means like this only. So it is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree obtuse angle. Next, look at here. 9 5. 9 5. 5 means 5 5s are 25. So the time is 9:25. What is the angle? This is also more than 90 degree. So obtuse angle. And here see. What is the timing? 10. 10. In here we won't tell 10:60. 12 5s are 60. No, we won't tell 10:60. Here, if long hand shows 12 means you have to tell 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, like that. So here 10, short hand shows 10 and long hand shows 12. So what is the timing? 10 o'clock. So what is the angle? This is less than right angle. So you write acute angle. Next, draw the hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than right angle. Which is less than right angle means acute angle. Also write the time. Now we are going to draw the hands of the clock. See, this is short hand and this one is long hand. Now the angle is acute angle. What is the timing? 5, 6. 6 means 6 5s are 30. So what is the timing? 5:30. Next here 2:12. 2:12 means 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. What is the angle? Acute angle. Next here 8:10. 8:10 means 10 5s are 50. So what is the timing? 8:50. Angle, acute angle only. Turn the next page. Degree clock. Appu and Kittu are playing carom board. Appu and Kittu are playing carom board. Appu hit the striker. It's come back at the same angle. See, it's come back at the same angle. In the picture, 3 points A, B, C are shown. Draw the line to show from the which point Kittu should hit to get the queen. See, he hit the striker from here. The striker goes this way and come in this way to hit the queen. So, we have to draw the line. See, now what is the angle is this? This is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means acute angle. Acute angle. If you want, you can measure the angle in degrees using a degree clock. Degree is written as point. See, the degree is indicated as point. If you want to measure the angle using the degree clock, we can measure what is the measurement of the angle. We can measure using the degree clock. Next, activity. Making a degree clock, cut a circle out of the paper and fold it half and fold it once again into a quarter. See, the pictures are shown in the book. You see that. Fold it once more. Open the paper. You will see lines like this. You can see the lines like this. Now mark 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree as shown. See, 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree. Paste it on a old coin. From the center, draw one hand. See, we have to draw one hand. Hand with a thick paper and fix it to the center with the drawing pin so that it is free to move. The degree clock is ready. Already I made this degree clock. Look at here. I fixed the board pin. See, 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Now you can tell what is the angle? Right angle. Now what is the angle? Acute angle. Now what is the angle? That is obtuse angle. Next, use a degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil boards. Dash is the measure of the right angle. Use a degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil boards. You have a pencil boards, no? You just measure the angle. What's angle? 90 degree is the measure of the right angle. 90 degree is the measure of the right angle. Can you guess how many degrees is the angle which is? Can you guess how many degrees in the angles which is? Half of right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Half means here in mathematical term, half means multiplication. Half of right angle measurement is 90 degree. So 1/2 into 90 degree. We can cancel. See. 2 4s are 8, carry 1 here. 2 5s are 10. So what is the angle? 45 degree. Half of right angle, that is equal to 45 degree. Next, 1/3 of right angle. 1/3 of right angle 90 degree. So we can cancel 3 3s are 9 and 0 is there. So what is the degree, 30 degree. Next, 2 times of right angle. 2 times. 2 times means we have to multiply. 2 times of right angle. Right angle is 90 degree. So 2 nines are 18. You don't bother about 0. You just add the 0 at last. Measure the angle from where Kittu should hit the striker on the page. See, using the degree clock, you have to measure the angle where Kittu should hit the striker. Next page. Angles in paper aeroplane. You just do this activity in your home. Take a square of sheet of paper. Take a square sheet of paper. Next, fold it half and open it. Third one, fold the corners to the center. Your paper look like this as shown in the book. Next one, fold the green triangle such that P and Q touches. See, P touches the Q like this. Next, fold the top two corners of this rectangle along the dotted line. See, like this you fold the corner. Next, your paper will look like this. There is a small triangle in the picture which has to be folded up. See, here the small triangle is there, no? Next, seventh one, turn it over and fold it in half along the dotted line. Again, you fold that. Next, now to make a wing fold, the yellow edge over the red edge. See, the yellow edge over the red edge. You have to fold like that. Next, turn it and do the same on the other side as well. Your plane is ready to fly. How well does it fly? You just do the activity. Next, find the angles of 45 degree and 90 degree when you open your plane. If you open your plane, you can find the angles of 45 degree and 90 degree. Next, angles with yoga. Rahmat is doing yoga. These are pictures of different asanas he does every day. See, now what is the angle? This is a right angle. Now what is the angle? Acute angle. Here also acute angle. And this one is obtuse angle. This one also obtuse angle. See here, this one obtuse angle and this one obtuse angle. Measure as many angles as you can made by different parts of the body while doing asanas. Then D game, the D game. You can play the D game with your friends. You can draw an angle. Your friend will guess the measure of that angle. Then use a D to measure it. The difference between the measured angle and the guess will be your friend's score. The one with the lowest score will be the winner. The one with the lowest score will be the winner. Come on, play. See, D game. D game means this is only D. This you can see in the geometry boards. This is called protector. This is called protector. It is look like D shape, no? So that using the protector only, we are going to play the game. Look at here. Now I am going to explain how to measure the angle by using a protector. By using protector. See, look at this protector. See, it starts from 0 and ends with 180 degree. Okay, starts from 0 and ends with 180. See, this one is 0. This one is the starting point. See, here one middle line is there, no? So that is 5. So this is 5. Next 10. Here 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on up to 180. See, in between 0 to 90 degree. In between 0 to 90 degree, that is acute angle. See, in between 0 to 90, not 0 and 90. Don't include the number 0 and 90 degree. In between 0 to 90 degree, that is acute angle. Next, 90 degree, that is right angle. Next, angle. Right angle equal to 90 degree and obtuse angle that is more than 90 degree. Okay. Now I am going to measure the angle using the protractor. See, this middle of the protractor you can fix in the intersection of two lines. See. Now what is the angle? 30 and here what? 35. So what is the angle? 35 degree. What is the angle? 35 degree. 35 degree is obtuse angle, right angle or acute angle. Look at here. Less than 90 degree means acute angle. Next, again we are going to fix in the center. Now what is the angle? See, same. What is the angle? 90 degree. 90 degree is a right angle. 90 degree is a right angle. Next, look at here. Again we are going to fix here. Now look at here. See, 100, 110, 120, here 125. So what is the degree? 125 degree. That is more than 90 degree. That is more than 90 degree. So this is obtuse angle.